What's the meaning of curriculum? Curriculum. Curriculum.
Curriculum. Curriculum. The term curriculum originates from the Latin word currere, which means to run. It refers to the set of courses, activities, and experiences that are designed to achieve specific educational goals. A curriculum can be thought of as a map that outlines the learning journey of a student within a particular educational system or institution. It typically includes objectives, learning outcomes, assessments, and instructional materials. A well-designed curriculum ensures that students acquire the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes to succeed in their future academic and professional pursuits, as well as in their personal lives.